So there you are. You have your TD Ameritrade account. Congratulations. But have you ever thought about what would happen if you were to die today or tomorrow or whenever? I know it's something that we don't want to talk about, but it's something that we must address as we plan for the future. We're all not going to live here forever. So you want to ask yourself, if I was to die, who would take over my account? Who would be the beneficiary of my TD Ameritrade account? I'm going to show you exactly how to add a beneficiary to your TD Ameritrade account. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned in to the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So, how to add a beneficiary to your account? If something was to happen to you today, who do you want to take over your account? Or you can split it between 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. But who do you want the assets of your account to go to? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with TD Ameritrade here. First, you're going to go to Client Services. Up in the Client Services, go to Personal Information. Once you get the personal information, click on Manage Beneficiaries. Now, when you go to add beneficiary, it's going to ask you, is this a spouse, family member, a trust, a charity, estate, other, or whatever it is. Let's say if it's your wife, you're going to click a husband, click on spouse. You just need their name, their date of birth, or their social security number, right? And you can allocate. You want to give 50% to them, 100%, 0%, or whatnot. And if you want to give it to 2 people, let's say if you want to add another beneficiary of your son or daughter or whatnot, you click add another, right? Once you click them, you're going to hit the agreement button, and you're going to hit save. Once you do that, you have added a beneficiary to your account. So until the next video, podcast, cartoon, whatever else you see me do around the globe, my name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. Peace, be safe. I'm out, and thank you.